Tutti Fluty friends, and today we're doing this on the flute, by the way. We're not doing it on the toot or the fife because they don't have all these additional keys like that one and two here and half keys. So because of that, we are looking at flute only, and the notes I'm going to be doing today is going to be your B flat, your F, so two notes, and also, if I can get this far, I will also do your E flat. So, like three notes in one video. So the reason being is if you're playing the book on the 5-1, on your abracadabra, and you've got the CD and you're starting to work through it, or as you can see by the tree behind me, you're heading into Christmas, so this is going to be like Christmas, ta-da, up in your room, then this is where the notes start to get exciting. So just to remind us back, we've done B, which was first finger, so we're in here. We've done A. We've done G. I'll give you a clue, we're going downwards. So this time around, we're doing an F. So it's literally first finger on the second hand, the little finger stays put. So these two lovelies need to hang around. They're not touching, they're not rapping, they're not going on strike. They're literally hanging around. So you got your first finger here, little finger's normal. So you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumbs on the back as normal. And you'll notice when you play it, it's less sound. Welcome to the note of F. So again, lift it to a G, so lift off a note. Now with the tongue. You sound like a siren. Or the old movie Jaws. Okay, maybe not that many. So, notes on the F is linked to another cool word, scale. Woohoo! So scale is steps, and those steps helps you to be able to go through your fingers, your mouth, your tone, your stomach, all of your posture, your breathing, all beautifully neatly. You'll hear your teacher, I'm sure, saying, we're in there to practice your scales. Right, scales are good call, and I will do a separate video about the joys and the funs of scales, and you can have a lot of fun with a scale. Yeah, so with this we have got the note F to play today, and the next one is a B flat. Now there's two ways of playing it. There is the cheaty way, and there's also the actual good way. There's two. It depends on the music which one you need. The cheating way is easy to have because your finger sits there all the time. The problem with the cheat is because your finger sits there all the time, you end up playing a B flat when you don't want a B flat. See? So that's why we have to learn both versions. Okay? So the both version that we're using today, you've got your normal B, which is the first finger, and your thumb. The second one goes on that first note on the other side. So you've got one note here, little finger, and your thumb as normal. When you do that, that becomes out as a B flat. A B, take the finger off. B flat. Sounds slightly deeper. The sneaky one is where you put your thumb over the two keys. As I said, that's your sneaky one. That is not one you should rely on. Rely on the other one. And that's the one that we're using today. Again, no gaping fingers are not on strike. Little finger goes down. Once you get that far, so you've got your B flat today. You got your F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Once you got those two, some tunes to play along. This is number 9, number 10, 11, crikey, and 12. That is called the folk song, Apples and Pears, Nightingale, and the Little John. Ready? Folk song first starts with a C. Folk song, Apples and Pears. Ooh, I'm doing that again. That's better. The Nightingale. Last one, Little John. And you might know that as a different noise and a different song. With that in mind, speak to you soon. Happy tutti fluting.